Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Hope you all are safe and keeping well. In today's video, sharing with you all another beautiful 4-bedroom detached property, again for a very reasonable price. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end, it could be useful to you. Now this particular property is from Strata Builders and it's located in Leeds, which is not very far from the Leeds city centre. And these visuals which you are seeing here are the newly built properties which are already occupied. So if you like this property, you can check out their website for further details. The prices might slightly vary up and down depending on the location. Now going with the floor plans. In the ground floor, we have the kitchen with dining, living room, water closet and a utility. On the first floor, we have 4 different bedrooms with one master bedroom having the ensuite facilities and a common bathroom. Now as you enter the house, you'll find a beautiful and spacious hall in front of you with different partitions made. I really like the entrance door of this property. This is the double glazed composite door. Most of the strata properties have got this kind of double glazed doors. They're not only beautiful but safety wise they're really good. So here you have the partitions towards your living, kitchen and dining and also towards the first floor. So let's begin with the living room. Beautiful living room with plenty of style and elegance. Space is generously distributed towards length and breadth. You have 4 windows in this room, so very good light and air movement. I must tell you, this looks like a small party hall. With this kind of space in the living room, you can actually plan as much as you can. Like if you want to go for a small gym in the living room, you can go for it. You can easily have a treadmill towards one side. For a small family like us, I would say this would be kind of like a luxurious space. You can use it in multiple ways. For a bigger families where you have 3 or more kids and even if elders are living with you, then this would be like an ideal place to sit together and spend some beautiful time. Overall, a very beautiful contemporary living room. Now moving towards the other rooms of the house. As you come out of the living room, in the hall you'll find a small room underneath the staircase. This is the space under the staircase which is converted into a small storeroom. Now towards your right side you have the kitchen with dining. Again, this is a beautiful and spacious kitchen with dining. So towards one side you have your kitchen with all the modern facilities included in it. You have plenty of cupboards both on the top and even at the bottom. The boiler also is fitted in the kitchen here. The oven, electric cooking and also the exhaust, all this come with the property. I also like the window space here in this kitchen. It's given separately towards one side without any disturbance. You have very good ventilation here. You have the space for the dishwasher given towards the other side. The wash basin also is located in this side. And the integrated fridge and freezer is also given here. So this integrated fridge and freezer is coming with the property. Overall, a beautiful kitchen space. Now moving towards the dining area. As you can see, it's a very lengthy hall. So towards the other side, you can easily have a very big dining table with 6 to 8 chairs. You also have the French door access towards your garden here. Now these properties have got very good garden space here. Even in the front you get 2 cars parking space. Now towards the other side of this dining area, you have the entrance towards your utility and the washroom. So in between you have this small utility with few cupboards on the top, and also the space for the washing machine is provided here. Now from this utility here, you have the entrance towards the washroom in the ground floor. This is again a small washroom with water closet and sink. The mains of the house are given here in this washroom. Now as you come out of this washroom, you can see that you have an entrance towards the garden even through this utility. So this is again a second door here, which is very good. So this is all about the ground floor. Now moving towards the first floor of the house. As I told you, on the first floor we have 4 different bedrooms with one master bedroom having the ensuite facilities and a common bathroom. So let's explore the master bedroom first. Sometimes simple rooms look very elegant and stylish because of its architecture. And if you look at these strata properties, all the rooms are given very good height, and this makes it different from other builders. Now if you look at the space wise, even after having the double cot bed and also the wardrobe fitted in, you have very good space to walk around. Now for these strata properties, in the master bedroom they are offering this inbuilt cupboard, that is the wardrobe comes for free, which is a very good thing. And if you look at the wardrobe, it's really big, quite massive. Because of the height of the room, it covers the whole length, so you have a lot of storage space here. Now before leaving the master bedroom, let's cover the ensuite. We have the walk-in shower, water closet and a sink here. There's also a window towards one side, so plenty of light as you can see. When you actually visit a show home, you can check out and see whether the walk-in shower is actually suitable for you and your family members' size, or else you can go for a bigger one. Overall, a decent bathroom with good space. So this is all about the master bedroom. Now moving towards the other rooms of the house. Just beside the master bedroom, you have the small bedroom. So the size of this bedroom is comparatively much smaller. It can be used as your kids' room or the computer room, storeroom, anything. But still, if you compare it with the other builders, normally what they give, the 4th bedroom, is very small. So when you compare to them, this room still looks bigger. So a small cot fits in and there is good space to walk around. I really like the idea of these inbuilt cupboards even in the smallest room. Just look at it, the size, height wise, it's quite big. And the way they made it, it's not spoiling the room space actually. It's going inside. So these kind of bright ideas are very much required in the house. So once you come out of this small bedroom, you'll find the common bathroom. This is the family bathroom on the first floor. You have the bathtub, wash basin and also the closet here. They also gave a window towards one side, so natural light and air movement is there. Now moving on to the other rooms of the house. Let's explore the second double bedroom of the house. This is again a very beautiful and spacious room. As you can see, you got 2 pretty windows on both the sides. So plenty of light and air movement here. Even after having the double cot bed, you have a lot of room space to move around. These days, almost all the properties what I've visited, the second double bedrooms are getting these 2 windows. so they look much brighter and beautiful for me. Again, you have very good space to have your massive wardrobes here. So because of the height of this property, you get a very big and well-designed wardrobes. Plenty of storage can easily get inside. Overall, a very beautifully designed second double bedroom. Now moving towards the fourth bedroom of the house. Now this is the smallest bedroom of the house. A small cot fits in and there is decent space to walk around. But the beauty of this room is you got two windows on both the sides. Look at this, so bright and beautiful. Because of its good light and ventilation, you can use it as a kids room or study or computer room. I also like the cupboards area in this room. It's not at all spoiling the room space. They're given inside. Very well planned and designed room. Now as you come out of this fourth bedroom, towards your right side you have a small room with the water heater inside. So this water heater is located here on the first floor. We covered all the rooms in this property. Overall, a beautiful property from Strata Builders. So for any further queries, you can log on to their website and check them out in detail. Now as you come out of this property, sometimes you'll have the parking space for your cars in front of your house, or sometimes it's given towards the side of the property, which is again within your area. I hope you liked watching my today's video. Do give me your suggestions and feedback in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Also, if you're watching my channel for the first time and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and feel free to activate the bell icon at the bottom so that you won't miss out on my future uploads. Stay safe, stay connected. See you in another vlog.